Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today is teach you, set curve type and curve color. Function, to reset color and type of the design line and also reset type of the pattern assistant line. Press Shift key to exchange line type cursor and line color cursor. Press Shift key to change the mode. Choose the color and line type under the triangle which you needed in the shortcut toolbar. Click or marquee select points or lines needed to reset. By selecting line type you can change the line. By selecting line color you can change the color of line. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.